I am obsessed with the Maison Margiela Tabi Ballet flats, and here is a quick review on how to style them. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and in today's video I am very happy because I finally got my hands on the so popular Maison Margiela Tabi Ballet flat shoes. These shoes have been on my wish list for around 2 years, and last week I saw them on sale and I thought this is my opportunity and I ordered them. I know that this pair of shoes are not going to be for everyone. You might find them a bit ugly or strange, but let me tell you, once you put these shoes on and you feel the level of comfort, you will fall in love and you will not want to remove these shoes from your feet. And here they are. My Tabi shoes are this beautiful pearl color, and these are the new Tabis. So I believe that you call them Tabi because of the iconic split toe at the front, and the new is about the folds on the side. I hope you can see it. This is new on the Tabi models for Maison Margiela, and is this vintage distressed leather. I am in love with this pair of shoes because they are so comfortable and they go with all your outfits. They elevate the outfits. As you can see here, all the outfits that I already have been creating with these shoes, they are amazing. You can wear them with dresses, with shorts, with trousers, or with jeans. Now, these shoes have been handcrafted in Italy, and the shoe is entirely in lamb leather. The upper part is on 100% distressed lamb leather, and the inside is also 100% lamb leather. The sole is 100% calf leather. Cotton knot at the front, and at the back it has the iconic back stitch from Maison Margiela. These are amazing pair of shoes, and I believe the Tabi shoe is kind of orthopedic because they align your feet and put them on place, especially because the toes have this split at the front. They have a lot of traction and they are so soft. I believe that with these shoes you can walk for hours and you will not feel any pain or discomfort in your feet. Now, for sizing, I am a size 40 and I order my normal size and they fit perfect. I really love this pair of shoes. I am in love with them, and I am planning to wear these shoes the entire summer because they are super comfortable. They are amazing. They look beautiful, and with this color they go very well in my wardrobe. But let me know, are you interested on the Tabi Ballet flat shoes? Will you buy them? Will you wear them? What do you think of the split toe? Guys, I will leave the links to all of the items in this video in the description box down below, including the outfits I was wearing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you on my next one.